All right, so in this video, we're going to look at how you can take data from one Google Sheet and quickly transfer it to another. Again, you could do the copy and paste trick. However, sometimes formatting gets messed up. You accidentally don't click on everything. It can just be a little frustrating. So this trick lets us do it really, really quickly. So on my screen now, I have my new spreadsheet where eventually I want my information to end up. I'm going to go to the spreadsheet where my information is. And down here on the bottom where it says test one, you'll see this little upside down triangle. If I click there and I click on copy to, what that'll do is that will take this entire sheet and it will ask me where I want to send it. I'm going to send it to a place that says my new spreadsheet once it opens. And I'm going to hit select. It will then say sheet copied successfully. I can click here to open up the workbook if I don't have the file open already. But since I do, I'll just click OK. And when I go back to where it says my new spreadsheet, you will now see copy of test one. So again, it preserves formatting, preserves all the data. Don't have to worry about me making a human error.